All right, good evening. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 151.
AwesomeMath51. So this morning we did that really awesome project where we looked at x squared and x plus 1 squared.
Yeah.
So now we're going to look at x squared and x plus 2 squared. So I got a 5 by 5 square here made out of reds. You see the 5 cubes?
Yep.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to see if we can do the same thing we did this morning, which is start with a 3 by 3.
And see if we can make a 5.
Add some lines of 3 onto it.
And see if we can make a 5.
And then have some singles in the end and see if we can find a pattern that turns that into a nice 5 by 5.
Well,
Okay.
I see something here.
By the way, do you remember how the pattern from this morning worked? Should we review that just real quick?
I think it was...
Here's a 4 by 4. I have it here.
I think we put...
How do we make the 4 by 4?
We made it like this.
One on the side. Okay, so we made one on each side and then a corner one up there. Okay. All right. So let's see if we can make a 5 by 5 now. So we'll start from scratch.
Well,
Okay. And then we'll see if the way we do it works for a 6 by 6.
if we enlarge what if we enlarge these sides by 2?
Okay. So let's separate them out so they can be seen on camera. Okay. Now what do we have to do?
Now we have a 2 by 2 square left, so we need 4 symbols.
So it looks like x plus 2 squared
Is
x squared.
X squared plus
How many x's?
4x, and then 4x to the 1,
Yeah.
and then plus 4x to the 0.
Right. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if that works for a 5 by 5, or if we can make a 6 by 6 out of a 4 by 4 the same way. Let's move this over here just so we remind ourselves of the shape. Okay. Is that still on screen? Yeah. All right. So here's our 6 by 6.
There.
Here's our 4 by 4 square that we're going to start with. And then here's a bunch of 4s. And then
looks like we said we can limit our total to this.
okay. Well, we have more if you need them.
Yeah.
So what would you do?
We do the same thing. We 2 of these, and then 2 of these.
Okay. So that's x squared plus 4x.
And then we make a 2 by 2, and we put it
Plus
there.
4. Whoa.
Cool.
Whoa. All right. So what if x is 10 and x plus 2 was 12? What's 12 squared?
It's 144.
Okay. And if we're pretending this was 10, so
Yeah.
that'd be 100 plus 4 times 10.
40 plus 4. 144.
All right. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good job, sweetie. It's pretty neat to see the geometry, isn't it?
Yeah.